Yes, Vietnamese cultural performance by your own Cruza.
Ang ganda. Vietnamese ka na pala ngayon. Oh, oh. Wow. Oh. Yan, Pinoy yan mga na. Ang smile natin dyan. Oh. Wow. Yan, Pinoy yan mga langga. O, naging Vietnamese.
Okay, so now everyone watching, right? How is it? So now it's your turn to learn. Come on the stage, don't worry. Yes, let's go. Let's go. It's very easy only. Let's go. Very easy. Anyone want to learn? Oh, let's go. It's your time to shine. Oh, anyone? This is the dance or performance from Vietnam, everybody. Super easy. We need at least two. Oh, yeah, bingo play right there. You play bingo. Let's go try. Oh, yes. Okay, we have. There we go. So now we have our Cruza Maria Luisa right here. We'll teach you how to do this dance. Of course, maybe. Okay, let them win in this one. Okay, later on you will wear this one. Everybody, okay, just follow her. Oh wow. Let's see everyone that she can do, or I think she can. Okay. 3, 2, 1, and go. First step is, okay, wave your hands. Very good.
Wow. Iba talaga ang Pinoy. Ayan mga langga, oh. Tingnan nyo si Kabayan Hasan. Ang Pinoy ay naging Vietnamese na siya.
Come right there, because in a few minutes time we'll have our bingo game. Oh, I think this one is very helpful for Luisa to teach the dance, Vietnam for today. Okay, make sure you will know because we will dance together. Okay.
Akalain nyo, yung kabayan natin, naging Vietnamese mga
Okay, DJ. Stop.
Ay, ayan.
Okay.
Vietnamese cultural performance. Ayan.
Let's have our first step. Okay, so just follow me, okay? So just wait. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4.
One.
Right foot, okay? Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Ayan. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Still waiting for the music, so of course we have that part that we need to learn. Because it's start from the beginning, maybe tomorrow. Maybe everyone already sleep and we finish. We will just for the specific step that we need to learn. Okay.
Okay, let's start from the beginning.
Ayan.
Simula.
Simula.
From the beginning, okay? So, madam, here. We need to enter here.
Wow.
Okay.
And
So, you are holding a cup. Okay, so let's need to her so that...
of course, with props.
This one.
Ayan. Bigyan mo ng
Okay,
sombrero,
madam, this one,
mala.
yours,
Bam.
and this one,
Yes.
yours.
Ayan.
Okay, so for the entrance, you need to do it like this. Yes. 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 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Okay, madam, let's try. Let's try.
Ah, see, ang galing talaga.
For a while, stop and sit. Okay, so entrance first. Okay. Ready?
Yes, ready.
Okay. 1,
Right,
Two,
left,
three,
right, left.
4. 1,
Right.
2, 3, 4. Okay, again. Okay,
Ayan.
let's try with
See?
music.
Right, left, right,
Okay.
left.
Okay, we'll be doing only couples here. Okay.
Okay. 1.
Hmm.
Then third. Yes. Then pose again like this. Yes. And then we need to third.
Ayan.
Yes. Oh, madam, here. You sit here. Okay, again. Let's start from the very beginning. Okay. Start. Here. Yes. Okay. DJ, from the start. Okay, ready?
Right, left.
DJ music. Ready?
Right.
Wow.
Step.
Nice.
Right
Wow.
step. Right step.
Then
Right step. Then turn
pose.
around and
Yes, see?
oh, galing. Wahoo!
Okay.
Sa
Very
kanila.
fast learner. Maybe anyone also want to try. This is the best moment that you will learn, right? Very nice.
Okay,
Yeah,
so next step.
Oh, want to say something? Okay, what do you want to say?
I want to say I am Vietnamese girl.
Oh!
Ah!
Wow, that's why!
Oh, see?
Yes.
So thank you so much.
But madam, you know this dance? You know this dance? Oh, really? Oh, little.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, she is from Vietnam.
Sample. Sample.
Good, madam. Good. Really? Okay, with you, of course. Okay,
Sample.
sing. Okay, let's follow madam. She's from Vietnam.
Okay, let's go. I want to give her up for hours.
Sample,
Get from
sample.
Vietnam right here. Come on now, together.
Together.
Sample mo na yan.
Madam here. Okay. DJ,
Music.
music.
Right step.
See?
Right step.
Then turn. Then
Pose.
wow, good pose. Then turn.
Oh,
Yes,
then.
see? Very nice. Yes, wow. Okay, then I will teach you the next step like this. Okay, done. That one, DJ. Okay? Ready? 5. Then, yeah, wear the hat. It feel like you're a Vietnamese. Oh, see? Nice. Ready?
1, 2.
1. Wow, see? Then like this, next step. After this one, next step, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Close,
Okay?
open.
1. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Close,
Okay, yeah,
open.
like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay?
Oh,
Okay,
oh.
again from the beginning. DJ like this.
Let's start from the beginning.
Yes, okay.
DJ.
Ready, DJ? Wow! See? Very nice. Okay, next step. Next step, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Can? Can. Okay. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Can. Okay. DJ, from this. Alright, DJ. Music. Again. Wow! See? Very fast learner.
No wonder.
Yes,
No wonder they are here on the stage because they know how to dance very
Yes, of
well.
course. So maybe they can dance
Yes,
together.
maybe we can start again one more
Of
time
course.
from the beginning.
Yes,
Let's go, let's try. Let's
Yes,
try.
come on.
DJ,
From
let's
this.
play the music.
Yan.
Music.
Todo na yan.
From this one, DJ. Okay.
5.
Wow. Like this. Next step.
O, yan. Oh, galing. Ang galing naman.
Wow.
Give it up, everybody. Wow, such a wonderful performance from our beautiful lady right here.
Beautiful lady.
Luisa, I think we need to know the name first.
Yes, of
Madam,
course.
everyone needs to know who you are.
Yes,
Come on the stage
madam.
first. Okay, come right here.
Yes, madam.
Okay, what is your name? Susan. Miss Susan. Okay, where are you from? Oh, see Miss Susan from Singapore. Wow, wonderful. How about Madam? What's your name?
My name is Gigi.
Oh,
Chichi, correct? From?
I come from Ho Chi Minh City.
oh.
Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. So we have camera right there. We have photo section. Okay, travel
Okay,
and
maybe
have a
we can
picture.
wear.
Yeah, anywhere this one. So feel like
Yes, so
we
we have
are
the
in
cross.
Vietnam.
There.
Sana
Okay, travel.
all.
Yes.
Yeah, we have camera right there.
Sana all.
Okay, thank you so
One more time.
much. One more time.
One more time. Travel one more time. Closer because we are from Vietnam now. Okay.
Astanggara.
Oh,
Ngiting,
next one. Oh,
ngiting tagumpay.
yeah,
Okay, thank you, thank you, thank
Thank you so
you.
much for